Imagine a world where cutting-edge technology and human-like companionship converge to bring forth a new era of personal robots. A world straight out of science fiction, now within our reach. From the playful to the practical, these personal robots are revolutionizing the way we interact with technology and each other. Number 5. UBTech Alpha 1 PRO. Meet the impressive UBTech Alpha 1 PRO, a humanoid personal robot that combines style with functionality. Standing at 16 inches tall, this bot boasts a sleek design inspired by tech guru Sir Jony Ive. It may cost a bit more than its competitors, but it's worth it. The Alpha 1 PRO shares many attributes with the popular Robosen K1 PRO, excelling in both entertainment and education. This friendly robot is not only an entertainer, capable of dancing to your delight, but it's also a skillful instructor, demonstrating yoga, kung fu, and various fitness routines. It's like having a 16-inch personal trainer. What sets the Alpha 1 PRO apart is its user-friendly drag-and-drop 3D desktop coding app, suitable for beginners and advanced programmers alike. Your kids can learn STEM concepts while having fun. Move over, clumsy robots. The Alpha 1 PRO showcases rapid fluidity and natural human-like movements. Thanks to its integrated sensor technology and motion control, it can react to users and its surroundings, avoiding collisions and looking nothing like a deranged Robomuff and light bulb combo. Worried about battery life? Fear not. The Alpha 1 PRO comes with a rechargeable, detachable battery, and you can even get spare batteries for endless programming and playtime. So let this charming personal robot be your family's new companion in entertainment, education, and exploration. Number 4. Innobot EBO Air. Introducing Innobot EBO Air, your ultimate interactive family companion robot. Life can get hectic, and finding time for yourself, your kids, pets, or elderly relatives can be a challenge. But fear not, the EBO Air is here to save the day. This adorable home rover is not just any robot, it's your personal peace of mind, backed by advanced features and cutting-edge technology. Equipped with a 1080 night vision camera, the EBO Air ensures top-notch security with motion detection and face recognition capabilities, providing real-time transmission for you to stay connected on your iOS/Android app or through AI-driven control. You can even interact with people or pets in front of the robot through its two-way audio system. Effortlessly patrolling your house in AI mode, this clever little bot offers customizable automatic patrol time slots, seamless recharging, and high-performance obstacle avoidance. No need to worry about your sleep time security. The EBO Air has got you covered, sending alerts whenever necessary. The EBO Air moves silently, thanks to its brushless motor technology, making it a smart, unobtrusive companion. However, with its compact size of just 8.9 by 9.6 by 9.6 centimeters HXWXD, be sure to keep an eye on where you're stepping. Embrace the future of home robotics with Innobot EBO Air and reclaim your precious bee moments without compromising on safety and fun. Number 3. Myco 3. Introducing Myco 3, the friendly and smart personal robot designed to be the perfect companion for kids in today's busy world. Forget about handing them smartphones and tablets. Myco 3 brings advanced tech that engages children both intellectually and emotionally. This AI-driven, Wi-Fi-linked smartbot features a wide-angle, high-res touchscreen display that serves as its expressive face, making interactions more enjoyable. Using advanced face and voice recognition, Myco 3 addresses children by their names, creating a personalized experience. Moreover, its HE camera and emotional intelligence engine enable it to understand and remember a child's moods, allowing it to grow and adapt with every interaction. With voice-controlled activities, coding apps, and AI-based games, Myco 3 keeps kids entertained while fostering continuous learning. And for parents' peace of mind, the face also facilitates video calling, so you can check in on your little one anytime. Safety is a top priority with Myco 3. Equipped with sophisticated sensors, it moves around smoothly without toppling over. The Myco Parent app offers insights into usage, and the robot ensures data encryption, privacy protection, profanity filters, age-appropriate content, and culturally neutral suggestions to keep your child 100% safe. Available in blue or red and featuring 3 wheels for mobility, Mako 3 might not be the quietest while in motion, but at least you'll always know where it is. Bring home Mako 3, your child's new best friend that brings joy, learning, and companionship in one adorable package. Number 2. Robosen Elite Optimus Prime. Introducing the Robosen Elite Optimus Prime, the ultimate smart robot that can do it all and more. You asked for a robot that could transform, and Robosen has delivered big time. This new elite version of Optimus Prime is packed with incredible features to blow your mind. First off, it's lighter and boasts an impressive array of components, including 5,000 components, 27 servo motors, and 58 microchips, ensuring smooth and dynamic movements. With 39 voice commands at its disposal, you can interact with it like never before. Controlling this awesome robot is a breeze with a smartphone app remote. But that's not all. Robosen has gone the extra mile and added a new layer of software magic. Now, get ready for this. With just a tap of a button or a simple vocal command, the Elite Optimus Prime can auto-transform into its iconic truck cab form. How cool is that? But the excitement doesn't stop there. This incredible robot is fully licensed by Hasbro, and guess what? It features the original voice of Optimus Prime, none other than the legendary actor Peter Cullen. It's like having the real thing right in your home. You can enjoy entry-level voice programming and even hand-guiding programming through a user-friendly app. And that's not all. Soon, you'll be able to unleash its full potential with block-based 3D programming for mind-blowing actions and customized voice interactions. The possibilities are endless. Number 1. Pitoy Robotic Dog. If you're an animal lover looking for a unique and smart companion, this one's for you. Imagine taking a stroll through the coding countryside with your very own programmable pet, the Pitoy. It's like Sony's AI BO, but with a whole lot more brain power. This palm-sized robo-dog is not only adorable, but also a fantastic way to enhance your STEM skills. You can program Spot here using entry-level Scratch block-based coding or dive into advanced Arduino IDE and C++ Python coding to unlock its full potential. With iTasks programmed by you, Pitoy can sense and navigate its surroundings, making it a delightful interactive experience. To take it up a notch, consider investing in the optional intelligent camera module and other Arduino Raspberry Pi compatible sensors. This upgrade allows Spot to become even more perceptive and interactive. While it might not match the big Dici dogs from Boston Dynamics, it certainly offers an incredible learning journey for anyone aged 14 and above. Which one of these remarkable robots captured your heart? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest advancements in the world of technology.